and welcome back to my desk. It's Sunday afternoon and it's the first chance I've had all week to take a look at some of the items that I received during the week. And this also means I have had to resist the temptation to have a good old rifle through them before I had a chance to film. So today it is a R.atelier unboxing. This is the vintage stationery box and it ships from China. As always, it comes in a lovely cardboard box with a personalised nameplate, a wax stamp, and some of the stamps that will feature in the box. And these look very promising indeed. So, setting the lid aside, let's get to it. Generally speaking, you get some stickers in this box, and amusingly, rather stupidly actually, I discovered that this is in fact a sticker. So I've been taking these out and sticking them into my bullet journal or into my diary, and it turns out that I needn't have been using glue all along. I could have just peeled off the backing, and this one is sunflowers and I really like that. So you get a little envelope and this usually has some stickers in it, so let's take a look. Let's see what the imagery is this month. Oh, looks like book covers. Oh, these are very nice. Don't necessarily know the books, but they are quite marvellous. And that one seems to have the spine of the book as well as the front of the book. So they're lovely. A washi tape, this one with tickets, I suppose. Not something that I personally would have a huge amount of use for, but I have seen other people use them. And then we get a second washi. The other washi was wrapped in this tissue paper, but I took it off very quickly ahead of filming. So this is how they normally come, wrapped in tissue paper with the R.atelier sticker on. So excuse the noise. And this one, what is this imagery? Oh, vegetables. Oh, how marvellous. Oh, I do like that. This one actually also has plastic wrap around the washi tape. That's not normal, or that's not usual, I should say, for this particular subscription box. I'll just take that off to prevent most of the shine. Oh, I like that a lot. Some leeks, asparagus, sort of pumpkin, one assumes. Maybe a tomato. Oh, I really like that. I do have a bit of an obsession. I say this nearly every video about what I have a bit of an obsession with. A bit of an obsession with grow your own. Insofar as I don't get to do much of it, but I particularly like the sort of World War II dig for victory. So here are some of the stamps. You will always get 1 or 2 ink stamps. And as I said, they will be the images that you saw on the front of your box. Some sort of chemistry symbols. I really like that. I will keep that. Generally speaking, these picture ones of this type don't usually appeal to me. So let's have a look at the second one. And the second one is, oh, date for and from. Oh, that's very useful. Oh, I like that one a lot. Great. I'll just put one on one side. And just to mention, during the week, I actually got my first cafe analog delivery, and among that were little ink beans, I think they're called, and these are very clever. So if I want to do this one colour and this another colour and this another colour, I could with the ink beans, because they're all tiny little inks and they allow you to do a selection of colours on a single stamp. So I really like those. The envelopes are kind of the pièce de résistance of this box, although the stamps are very good as well. So let me just remove the last few items from the box, set the box to one side so as we can have a good look at the contents of these envelopes. Already very promising. I think I see a dragonfly. I do like a dragonfly. These stickers are extremely strong, and I try to take them off a little bit carefully because I do want to retain these envelopes. I actually have them all themed out to different sticker types now. How kind of sad is that? Oops. And you also get little cards. Not all of them are stickers. Some of it is paper ephemera as well. So as I say, today a little bit rushed because this is my first time and I just didn't want to have to leave the box any longer. Oh, that's really nice. So some sort of handmade paper with a stamp on it. Now these are sort of washi tape type stickers. They're very thin stickers and they have the shiny back that you can take off. I'm not even sure what that image is of. Have a journey is a good thing. Okay. Now look at these with some leaves in another box. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love a dragonfly. Oh, that's really, really lovely. I really like that a lot. And I know who'll be getting this. Shout out to my sister. She loves, loves, loves butterflies. And she's going to really appreciate that. That emerald green is just stunning. So again, love these little... so we seem to have a little bit of a theme of journeys. Very nice. Some trains and trams. Excellent. And a bit of a road there. Do like that. So I suppose they're a little bit like luggage tags, but with images on them. And very thin stickers. And of course these thin stickers really great if you are trying to save space. This one really nice, guy ploughing a field. Yes, dig for victory type situation. Love it. Can't quite make that out. Oh, there we go. Tobacco. Excellent. Oh yeah. Oh, look at the little bike. Isn't that cute? Is that a Roman emperor? Yeah, really like these. Just the imagery is so great. Tolstoy, Wilde, Mark Twain. Not sure about some of those. And this seems to be stickers, so again you could cut up all of the different elements to use. And because they have that sort of parchmenty paper quality, it comes out really well when you stick to it. And as always, just some paper ephemera. Lovely. What are these little stickers? Usually these little pieces of card. I do love these as well. Nice imagery on these. That seems to be... not sure what that is actually. Little book covers again, I think, perhaps. And again, I'm managing to hold them all upside down and always. And you can probably see them better on screen than I can. Oh, vintage newspaper or a dictionary. Oh, it's another book cover. Oh, book covers. I'm loving it. You can, as I said, probably better see them on screen than I can peering at the camera, because it will magnify for you. So the second envelope, let me just push those slightly to one side. We keep some of them in shot because they make a nice object to look at. Second envelope. And again, it's not that the two envelopes have different themes, although one will always contain some of the items that are about. Oh, now that is lovely. Musical notation married with butterflies. These little notepads, great little size for purses. I mean, of course, you can use these for cutting up and that sort of thing and creating mixed media, but they are also for just very useful as little notepads. Oh, very nice. Don't know what they are. Maybe begonias. I don't know. Little cards. Oh, these are little tags. Do you see that little circle at the top? You can punch that out and you can use that as a little tag. Lovely. Some form of page marker. Love me a page marker. Again, always with the holding things upside down. Very good. I do like that. It's very nice. It seems to be in the shape of the nib of a pen. Very clever. And as always, what I love about this box is that your little calendar that comes with it arrives in plenty of time for the month. So she thinks ahead. The box that she's sending to arrive in November contains December items, which, you know, is just great. Really taking those international customers into account. Lion Coffee. Nice vintage advertisement. Oh, more butterflies. Oh, my sister will be thrilled. Lovely. Just lovely little pieces of notepaper. These are split, perforated in the middle. Really useful. So if you're anything like me, you'll be writing a list and only use half the page, and then the whole list goes in the bin when you're finished. Obviously the recycling bin. I want to say Monet inspired or Monet paintings. Again, these are stickers. God, they'd make great backgrounds, won't they? Because there's a full sticker and the colour wash is just amazing on them. And some of my favourite things. These either come as non-stickers. Little camera theme there. Very good. Oh, they're all camera themed. How marvellous. They're lovely. And then these ones are always very unusual. Quite difficult to see them sometimes. This one's almost like lace. We got a fern one last month, which I really like. I have to find somewhere to stick it. It's still sitting on my desk. And then this one. I just like this being printed on this medium. And then the final item, which is always in the bottom of the box, are the, let me see if I can get this, there we go, are the stamps. And again, some great floral stamps there. It reminds me of a plant we have here in Ireland and I can't think of the name of it offhand. The detail on these is quite incredible. I really enjoy stamping with them. But I'm losing my voice a little bit, so I will go. Another fabulous box from R.atelier. Let me get the shine out of that out of the way. As I say, I got a box from Cafe Analog this month, and I also got my cloth and inspiration box, so cloth and Plenspiration box, so I need to do videos on those too. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.